Okay, we've finished spraying everything down for our head here. So now we're going to start to highlight it, and then we got to switch to using brushes. So I'll have all different types of brushes here that I'm going to be using. We're going to maybe put a little pink in the ear, do a little bit on the nose, blacken the nose, the nostrils here, and we're just going to be using acrylic paint. So we might sprinkle some peach on there just to offset that brown a little bit. We'll paint our toenails here on this, and we'll paint the fingernails here also. We'll paint the mouth, and we'll paint white on the teeth. So everything we have to do now is going to have to be done by hand with brushes. So depending on what you're going to do. Now if I'm just going to sprinkle some color on there, I'll use a stiff brush like this and stipple it on like that. If I use that, or this one works good too. Or it can work good if you're going to put a little bit, to tap a little bit in the ear, to work in the ear. So we'll just break down now everything by hand and paint everything that we want to highlight by hand. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.